Keep it up. You're gonna be wearing two. You wanna? Thank you. Okay. There's two. Too small. I love things like this. Okay, I am in the Lost World in Ipoh, and we are on a raft. But this raft contains two people, and on one side of the raft, that's my side, it's sinking. Accident. You guys are gonna crash into me, and I came here to take a look at the Lost World. It's kind of neat. It's got a little animal petting area, bird area, snake area. It's got big lakes, and it's got a little choo-choo train. It's got water world. You can swim. It's quite fun. I was thinking, can we go straight because I'm getting dizzy? And I'm getting dizzy because we're going round and round, but I'm controlling the roar, the udder. Anyways, it's a very nice place for Kecharians to come and visit. I think I'll send Kecharians here to visit this place. All right? Can the camera guy kind of get a picture of the whole place and our tailgaters? Tailgaters. Yep. Okay, let's have a race, you guys. Come here. Everybody come here. Let's have a wonderful race. My phone here, huh? Okay, let's go to the other side. Let's see who gets there first. The last one pays for lunch. But I don't know how to steer this. Oh no! Wait, I didn't say get set go yet.
Okay, pull it straight.
Okay, go! Hey, it's not fair, the duck is going faster!
You can eat it that way.
Hey, that's not fair because you're an animal! The rules change, the first one is a loser.
Accident!
Bad drivers! Paris, leave the animals alone! The fishes just follow us, you know?
Oh, look at the rock.
Hey, you guys, look! Look at the rock! Hey, look! Omani peme hong. Omani peme hong. Omani peme hong. Omani peme hong. Omara bazanadi. Omara bazanadi. Omara bazanadi. Omara bazanadi. Tari tu tari tori saha. 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 Omani peme hong. 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 Teata umbekansi bekansi ma bekansi bekansi ransa samakati esoa. Teata umbekansi bekansi ma bekansi bekansi ransa samakati esoa. Teata umbekansi bekansi ma bekansi bekansi ransa samakati esoa. Teata umbekansi bekansi ma bekansi bekansi ransa samakati esoa. Teata umbekansi bekansi ma bekansi bekansi ransa samakati esoa. Wow, look at that. Well, in Ipoh, it's filled with lime caves and limestones, lime rocks. They got beautiful caves here. They got beautiful scenes. And this Lost World is very nice. It's very, very nice. Very old. I like this scene. You guys are going the wrong way, man. You gotta turn around and go.